Welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. Today we discuss topic about the schema.org. This regarding so many people asking one question. So what is the purpose of schema.org? And a lot of people will be have the question is there. One is called when people searching for my company. I have to use my company will be Rakesh Tech Solutions. This is my company. When you are using for any kind of social icons will be shown to the particular profiles. That all profile will visible by your maps, everything. It all will be depend on the schema.org. And second thing is called your odds. What are the rating and everything they can show will be here. Simple one. I'm selecting incognito window. I'll show you one of the client what we can writing here. R Samaj Mandir in Hyderabad. Is a client how we can writing for gesture like this. There will be people writing will be options are here. So these are the major website. So any website we can using the particular social links we have to show to customer. So we can give to this in Madhapur. When it is go to here, any kind of see the ratings. The rating will be visible by using schema.org. How we can writing this code? I'll give the complete code will be here. These are the code structure. Depend on the coding, we can writing for your structure, name and a description. Name nothing but what are the title you mentioned. This will be given by the developers. This will be given by the developers. And same like writing for your social icons and logo option. Next one, your aggressive rating. The rating will be very much of important in your particular things. Next code, here is the option will be there. In this, you can add the post address also. Address, add your phone number, everything you can add by in a particular option. So nothing but we can adding by phone email address also will be valid on the particular option. This also will be aggressive rating. Third one, we don't use any kind of phone numbers or any other option. Third number will be completely will be here's the option. Only we can use the location name will be here. So finally, you can write the some code will be here. What is the code? How we can writing for in this? First of all, I'm writing code will be a particular website, countoflanguage.com. This website mainly focused by the users for the translators, interpreters, and subtitle services localization. It is a dependent by different option. In this website, I have to showing for aggressive rating and my social media icon for the search engine option when people search your keyword, count of language or your any particular keyword. How you can write? First of all, what are the social icon you maintain that will compulsory add on your website? Once again, very important. When social icon visible on the search engine on the Google, the compulsory content you have to share on the particular social media network. Without sharing, nothing will be worked out. So I'm sharing is not showing. Most of the people are facing not showing for my social media links. The mainly your website link you can sharing for the social media option compulsory important is a primary option. That primary will be help to getting for aggressive rating. Now, in this purpose, I'm writing code here. Give me a second. After a few seconds, I'm writing code will be here. In this, I have to mistake in one option will be there. I'm adding for my address option. Where it is address. So we can selecting will be here. Post name, telephone, where it is same as option. Here, 2 times will be repeated. So code compulsory important. So code nothing but you have to verify your phone number. So where it is phone number will be yes. Where you can check the code also I'll share you the information. After adding compulsory have checked the code will be mandatory field. Location name USA and save it. Same code, copy. So depending on developer, you can writing for customize your type name and description options compulsory important. So here I'm writing in this future. Here, go to cPanel, click for file manager. What is our common folder? Like common header. This code we can adding for each and every page compulsory important. In this I'm writing for common header files will be I'm added here. Header file is the every web pages header file is the same. Add it. After this one, Control F5, Control U, Control F, schema. Here, name and description. What is our name here? And check the description. So what are the name is same adding here or not? We can check for your particular option. Same. We can check will be description option will be there. So the description we can check from here itself. So same will be adding for in this. And we can adding a logo format will be here. Logo nothing but when we click here logo, they can go to the my particular logo option. It completely will be schema we are adding along with aggressive rating. So when it is possible for the schema will be work out, we need to work out based on the search engine ranking on pages will show here. Few more things are very, very important asking one question here. That is called, I'm selecting for incognito window. Here I'm selecting for Rakesh Tech Solutions. When people searching, this extra character will be given by. This also will be using for OG title. What we are writing OG title, same will be helping by the your schema. Based on the page, your option will be changed. It's a compulsory important. So what are the your content will be adding? Same content you can take taking from the name and description. The completely content will be changed. What are the image you're using? What are the content you're using? The compulsory we can give here. So is a code is correct or wrong? Any errors are required. So any errors will be happen where you can check. I'll show the URL will be here. That is called recipient search.google.com slash text slash rich hyphen result. Select here and text live URL. The finally they give report. If you are mistake on comma also it is getting error. So every spelling is compulsory important. This code, anyone you are missing on your particular search engine on your website is required, you can definitely contact. I definitely give the code. And what are the ratings your votings are there? Can changing will be here also. Update. Texting live URL will be here. They will check with your live URL. They give this. And your website will be mobile friendly compass important. Here, one error will occur in this. Missing field is image. So image one, anything is missing, you can check for here. So this error you have to optimize. Missing field, price range. So you can check the error will be here. So we have to check it and fix the error. Any commas missing? No. No price range. So where it is error, you can check it out. Missing image field. Okay, they field by image field is missing, so that we can correct it by the particular option where it is head option. We can selecting from image SRC. So same one you can selecting here, this one. So there is nothing wrong. So where is exactly mistake? You have to find out and fix the option. This is compulsory important for your particular name. Cross successfully. Only local business is issued. Where you can adding local business. So we can check it out. Address problem. We have to verify it, click it, and we have to refresh this future. So what are the future is mistake you have tried by the in a particular option. So that is compulsory. You have to check in the particular live URL. So that is the mainly you can focus by the schema.org. So what are the code you can adding? The compulsory you have to add the schema.org code on your particular website. So if any query, simple one, I tell you this one. If image SRs will be using this one. If you go to the blog, Control U, Control F, schema. Here is the logo option will be common thumbnail will be used. Simple one. Here is option will be here. Same will be using this option. So here is that. Sometimes getting error, no need to worry. It will be fixed by the particular search engine optimization. The code is compulsory adding will be very important on the particular user option. So if you any particular doubt about schema.org, can compass ask me that. I definitely will be here. Two things remember, your structure compass are important. Second thing will be what are the planning you've done. The compass we have to show by the users will be mandatory field. And image is not valid. Simple, you can change your code and update by schema.org code. This will be affected by the social media icons and your aggressive rating and reviews on your particular website. If any further query, can contact my channel. I definitely will support any kind of schema.org code. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.